Connect your PREMET M with a pressure sensor. If you use a TDC sensor, connect the relevant cable as well. Please watch a separate video how to use additional sensors to get information about the use of TDC sensors. Press the mode on/off button for about 3 seconds to switch the device on. Choose the engine you want to measure with the up and down buttons and then select it with the mode button. Change the scavenge air pressure in the next screen with up and down if needed, and then start the measurement with MEAS button. Now your PREMET M shows the first cylinder to be measured and is ready to take measurements from all cylinders consequentially without any further push of a button. Connect the pressure sensor with the indicator valve of the first cylinder, open the valve and monitor the display. Close the valve when the device tells you to do so and wait as requested. When the result is shown, you can move to the next cylinder. Repeat the procedure until all cylinders have been measured. Just switch the device off at the end. All data is saved automatically. In case you want to retake a measurement of one cylinder already measured, you can change at any time to the relevant cylinder with the up and down buttons. By pressing the MEAS button for 3 seconds, a new measurement is forced. To download the data, connect the device with a computer via a USB cable. From the main menu, choose PREMET device and Read record from device. To upload the record into the cloud, watch a video called How to Upload Data into the PREMET Cloud. If you have any problems, please send us an email or call us on the number displayed.